Imagine getting a payout like this every morning when you wake up. Just going to your app, seeing that you made $20 passively just for today. In this video, I will show you how you can make money from 3 legit websites or apps on your phone without having to have a laptop or without having to have any expenses in the comfort of your own home for free. The first website is Honeygain. Honeygain is a website that users install on their phone. So when you connect your router or Wi-Fi or anything, you will be able, Honeygain will share a portion of your network that is unused to other clients or other users on Honeygain. So that's the first website. If you want to earn more money on this site, you can refer friends. As you can see, earn 20% more for every friend you refer. So like imagine you refer 10 people, you'll earn a good amount of money. This website is free to register. As you can see, it's recognized by all these industries, which is even better to show it its legitimacy. Okay, so that's it for Honeygain. Let's go to the next website. So the second site is known as Feature Points, right? Feature Point is an app that you download on your Android mobile phone, right? You can get paid to watch movies, play games, take surveys, and you get rewards. As you can see, earn rewards by trying apps, playing games, and completing surveys. So easy, guys. Make money to earn rewards on your phone and fun with service. This is so simple, guys. You can do it on comfort of your own home, just on your cell phone. It's so easy, so simple. That's the second website. Let's move to the last website. So the next website is Singapore. It's an African site app that gives you a voice. It's a survey app. You get paid to do surveys. It's an Africa. It's a website or an app for Africa, right? It's not a widely used website. Not a lot of people know about this website, so you catch it while you can. So make money online from home anywhere by answering a few questions. It's free. How does our legit paid service app work in Africa? Singapore connects you with a wide range of companies and organizations that are active across the African continent and looking for your views and opinions, right, guys? So this is how you make money. As you can see, here's a video.
In this
Even
video, I'm going to
video,
reveal how
right?
you can make money online.
I know this guy, so you can watch this video, this Marshmallow Malaba guy, and you will check. As you can see, there are the reviews also of different people that made money from the app. So guys, this is our last and final app. You can try any one of these apps and tell me in the comments what you think, and did